Good morning. It's April 4th, 2023, and there's a lot to think about here as we head into what we think is, low vol spring break slash holiday season before earnings. So let's get over the Longbow Dashboard and look at some of the things that we're seeing, which are really popping out at us this morning. So here what we have is, you can see the SPY, we're in neutral, we're in the middle of the range, but you kind of peel back the onion and you've got some pretty meaningful signals. And what does this tell you? Gold overbought, silver overbought, shy. So that's the 1 to 3 year Treasury ETF overbought. Same with mid-year Treasuries overbought, long-term Treasuries overbought. So tons of signals here in terms of materials. So gold tends to be a safe haven, as well as Treasuries, where people are saying, I want this. Yields coming down, people buying into Treasuries. They're saying, I want a little bit of safety. Similarly, and we've talked about this before, when gold is up, also it could be because the dollar is down, so you're getting an oversold signal. So many patterns that we've talked about before that you can see today on the Longbow Dashboard. And the other things you can say here is like, look at healthcare, which is another defensive sector that often trades with utilities, staple, more quote unquote long duration assets. As you would think of long-term Treasuries, that's really close to the top end of its trading range. So it might as well already have an overbought signal on that. And then what are people doing here, though, that if you're looking for protection, that CYA ETF is nearing the bottom end of its range. So that could be something interesting to put into your mix. So again, what we're seeing is people, heading into safety here. People are a little bit worried. Market was up and then it turned down this morning. And even if it's low vol, what you know is we're heading into earnings season. Jamie Dimon's coming out saying, hey, there's going to be some big repercussions from this banking crisis for years to come. So, take that heat. He gets a lot of data from a lot of consumers out there. He sees what's going on before you and I see it. But we're getting these signals in the market saying that people are heading into defensive. That's it for today. Hopefully you're making your moves in your portfolio to ensure that you're risk managing your positions. Is it the day to go do these things? No, it's not the day to go pile into gold or silver. You might want to trim that. But again, you have to be a little bit concerned. Investors are getting concerned, and we're seeing that through the numbers here. We'll see you back tomorrow.